Good morning, guys. It is 11:46 in the morning right now. I'm out here at the Santa Barbara station in Ventura County for the very first time today. So arriving into the station right now, it's 7:65 to Goleta. So he's arriving in a couple minutes early. He'll be leaving at 11:53 in the morning, so yeah. We have Siemens Charger SE44 2110 on point. So yeah, guys, I wanted to try out the station. So yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna look at the Amtrak tracker. I came out here to film 765 and train 14, and hopefully a freight, but we'll see. Yeah, this morning 765 left LA on time at 9:13 in the morning. So after LA, he was stopped at Glendale, Burbank, Van Nuys, Chatsworth, Simi Valley, Moore Park, Camarillo, Oxnard, Ventura, Carpinteria. He is out here in Santa Barbara, so he just got out here a couple minutes early. And then after Santa Barbara, his final destination is Goleta. So guys, so starting on Monday, this train will be going all the way up to San Luis Obispo, so it'll no longer be terminating in Goleta. 761 on the other hand, which should have gotten here about 2 hours ago, that train will now be ending in Goleta, so yeah. So yeah, so later he'll be going back to LA as 784. So yeah, this weekend the tracks between LA to San Diego, they're closed. So I was thinking about it this morning where I wanted to go. I was gonna go to Cajon Pass, but I was like, you know what? I want to try something new, so I decided to come all the way out here. Yeah, I just got here like a couple minutes ago. But I'm extremely lucky to catch this guy arriving in early, so yeah. But yeah, on Monday, this train right here, 765, will go back to 794 moving forward, because they are implementing a 13 round trip between LA and San Diego, so yeah. So yeah, we have Siemens Charger SE44 2110 leading. Yeah, it's 11:51 right now, so he's gonna leave in 2 minutes from now. As of the moment right now, train 14 is nearby, so he should be here in about 15-20 minutes from now, so yeah. right, highball 765 going to Goleta. This will be returning later at 784. So about 1:45 we'll be back here going south to LA. So yeah. The gates are not going down. Couch, 6802 Presidio Park, 6303 to San Francisco Canyon, 6406 Laguna Beach, 6407 Newport Beach, and at the back, 6901 Alright guys, there goes 765 northbound to Goleta. Final stop is in 10 minutes from now. So yeah guys, so on 765 today from LA to Goleta of the morning, we have Siemens Charger SC44, 2110 leading, and we have 6901 Point Hueneme trailing. Alright guys, it is 12:20 right now. So here's Starlight train number 14 guys, going all the way up to Seattle. So apparently it arrived in early today. It arrived in 10 minutes early at 12:05 when it was scheduled to get in at 12:14. It's about to leave right now, so I'm going to film its departure. Oh my god, that was loud. Highball train 14. Alright guys, here we go. Train 14 353. Alright guys, here goes train 14 northbound to Seattle. So yeah, it's just left right now. Yeah, so it should be arriving in San Luis Obispo in about 2.5 hours from now. So yeah. Alright guys, well it's been a little dead up until now, but arriving into the station right now is 784 back to LA with 6901 and 2110. Newport Beach, 6406 Laguna Beach, 6303 San Francisquito Canyon, 6802 Presidio Park, 34039 Couch. Guys at the back, Siemens Charger S44. So yeah guys, they're 784 to LA. Should be arriving in by 4:45 p.m. Alright guys, well it's almost 3 in the afternoon here. It is 2:56 right now. If you guys are wondering why I'm at the Carpinteria station, it's because there is a work train going south. I got word of it not too long ago. So I was going to have lunch in Santa Barbara, but I went up to Goleta for a couple minutes to see if there was anything interesting. The signals were red. They turned on when I got there a couple minutes after, but didn't see anything, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go back. Then I decided to stop for lunch in Santa Barbara at a Mexican place, but anyways, I'm out here in Carpinteria, gonna catch this work train. That work train is like no more than 2 minutes away from me. Alright, well, the gates are going down right now. Yeah, this guy is not slowing down. So basically, he waited for 769 to get into Santa Barbara. There it is. There it is. Alright guys, there goes that work train. Woohoo!